So Grandma, at a spry 85, just got these smart hearing aids that supposedly block out all noise except her favorite songs. She even claims they connect to her phone. Naturally, I taunted, "Alright, Grandma, tune me out right now." She hits a secret button and squints at Grandpa. "Did you say something?" He looks around, horrified. "I haven't made a peep in 10 minutes. Curious, I FaceTime Grandpa directly, only to catch him tiptoeing past her recliner like a cartoon burglar, desperately tip-tapping his feet so she can't hear his nightly socks-on-floor performance. Turns out the noise filter is really Grandma's built-in snoring silencer. Who knew the latest tech was just selective deafness?